Bless her parents and family with wisdom, patience, and love. Surround her with kindness, protect her from harm. Mama Mary, cover baby Vivi with your maternal care, and Saint Joseph, please watch over her. Amen.
Are you ready? Yes, all right. And good morning to each and everyone, and welcome here at Shaggy's. And today, we're celebrating Vanya's Violeta first birthday. So Vanya Violeta.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
All right, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Louder, please. Happy birthday. All right, and this time, guys, can you please birthday? Come on, everybody. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One more time. So here in front. Come on, lahat po ng kids, punta po tayo sa front. Mommy and daddy, okay lang po ba? Let's have some picture. Biggest thank you. Sa bill naman natin. So please, ready your Meralco bill. This wow. Do you like this? Hey! Cheers. Parang same lang yung breadlock mo lang sa Apple. Thank you for joining Apple! Bringing po ito, ma'am. Hindi po bawang game. But it's okay. I'm sure pinipilit po kayo ng bata. Pinita ko naman po. Ako, pinipilit po kayo ng bata sa mga yun. Pinita ko naman po. Okay, so now please go here. Anyone? I need more. Meron po ba? Anyone? Come on guys. Sir, do you want to join? Picture lang po, sir. Okay lang po, sir. Picture lang po muna bago ang sakin na. Yes! Kuya! Sino sumisigaw? Yes, Kuya, you first.
Favorite.
This is for Miss Girl. Next, this one. Yes, ma'am. Oh, ang galing talaga naman ng bata. Next is this one. Ito po, talagang luma ito ha. Mahirap to. Yes, sir! Yes po? Wow! Tom and Jerry is correct! Real family. This one! Oh! Wait! Sino po yung mga wala pang prize? Sino po? Sino po yung mga wala pang prize? I'll give you a chance. Wala pa po kayong prize? Buti nga. Last song. Last one. Actually guys, this is not a cartoon. Pero sikat to ng early 90s. Hindi ko naman napanood eh. Pero may kamukha ko sa kanila.
No.
Huh? Wait! Ayun, sino batang-bata. Oh. Yes, ma'am! What is your answer? Airport is wrong! Yeah! Bakit sinabi niyo sa akin? Yes, sir, magtayo ng kami, sir. Sir, ito po. Yan, ganito lang mga gagawin niyo, sir. I-spell na po yung name ni Vanya using your part. So, wala po na version me. Like this one. So, to V. So, ganito, sir. Okay, explain ko ha. So, pala V. Tapos, okay? So, kailangan ko sabay-sabay. Pag mali po, dadagdag namin yung Violeta Perks. So, kailangan nyo pang sabay-sabay. Okay? So, bang na lang po para mas madali. Okay po ha? Mas maganda po, sabay-sabay din naman kayo. 1, 2, 3, tsaka po kayo. Okay po? Okay, ready? Sir, naka-video kayo sir. Pag-vlog mo ba sir? Alright, so let's start. with the letter V. Go! Ang lambot niya. Yes! Letter A, mabalik po. 1, 2, 3, go! Next is letter M. Go! Next is letter Y. Next is letter A. Go! Thank you so much, sir. You can see the answer to this book. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright. So now, Mom and Daddy, are you ready?
Nung naging parent ako, parang hirap pala. Especially nung pinanganak siya kasi napaga siya ng 2 months. Pero as you can see, healthy siya. So I wish na mag-pray lang kay God. As you know, God will always provide whatever you need. Pray lang and have faith. Everything will follow as you pray. Love you.
Safe and healthy. Kind like your dada. And you're brave and you're smart. We love you.
2 and 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you, to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy
Magic. Sorry. Here's my next match.
Fire! I'll get the fire, look, and throw it. Wow. Wow, He's a real magic.
Very good. Bakit ka nag-aaral? Para magluto. Sino pong nanay mo sa inyo? Kasi, mamaya Nasuhulog. Okay, sa dito ka sa'yo sa kabila. One more! No more. So kids, did you enjoy the magic show? How about you mga parents, nag-enjoy po ba? Yes, may daya po ba wala? Yes! Yeah! Kami ng bonus ni Mami Reyes. Hello, Vanya! Alright. Hey, this is for Vanya. Oh, I the color people? Alright.
Good. Thank you so much. First of all, thank you kay God na binigyan tayo ng magandang panahon. Hindi maulan, hindi rin gano'ng kainit. So, yun. Yun, thank you. Nakarating ng lahat ng mga in-invite namin ng ligtas dito. We're very thankful. And of course, thank you sa... Ayun, thank you sa mga suppliers, sa Shakey's, kay Sir Joseph, din sa pag-assist sa amin, kay Sir Noriel, din sa Magician, at pag-host din sa Lenny's, thank you. Sa backdrop namin, and sa Moviescape for the card, saka din sa photo booth, sa JK for photography, thank you. Ang dami natin dito. Hindi namin actually alam kung yung may invite namin, we just invited everyone that we can invite. And we're thankful na kahit marami kami nakatin, marami kami cover nakatin. Yeah, yun lang. Thank you so much everyone.
Thank you so much!